morning, Jettie Rockers. Welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing. Well, we're out here this morning. It's about 7:30 in the morning. It's cool out here this morning. Had a front come through overnight. It's 51 degrees right now. The water temperature, surface temp is 62 degrees. We have about a 15-mile-an-hour wind out of the northwest. So we're gonna go up here to one of these creek mouths. We got a strong outgoing tide, and we're gonna try for some pompano. That is the main goal for today. I'm gonna be throwing some banana jigs, goofy jigs, wacky jigs, whatever you call them. But we're gonna go out there and we're gonna throw some of those, and hopefully we'll catch some pompano today. Maybe a couple ladyfish because they're fun to catch, but that's the plan, guys. Wish us luck. Get started. Here's my little goofy jig. Let's see what we can do here. Current's moving good. Hopefully we'll get something. There he is right there. First fish. Ladyfish. Jumped him off. Or did he break me off already? Alrighty, man, these ladyfish will tear through a leader, man. I just retied that. Wow. Alright, let's see if we can try that again. Doggone ladyfish. Alright guys, I'm hooked up. I'm hooked up. There's got to be a ladyfish though. Yep, there it is. Old lady. Let the ladies go today. Alright, still got my jig. Make sure it's all looking good, because they have been tearing me up. Alright guys, I'm hooked up. Can't tell yet if it's a ladyfish or a pompano. I'm gonna say pompano because it hasn't jumped yet. So I'm gonna say it's a pomp or something different. I don't know what it is. I'll tell you that right now. I don't know. Snagged something. Snagged something. Snagged ladyfish. Look at that. Snagged him in the side. Fighting full when you snag him on the side like that. Holy cow. Cool little fish though, man. They do fight. Snagged or not. Hopefully, pompano will start up here soon. Seems to be that the ladyfish, just got something right there. The ladyfish and the pompano run together. This might be a pompano. He's running towards me pretty quick. I don't know what this is. It's another ladyfish. Again, got my jig. Man, these things will tear through a line like I don't know what. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Hey guys, I'm hooked up again. Probably another ladyfish. Maybe not. Yeah, it's a ladyfish. Golly. Make sure you didn't mess up my leader. Golly, these things are crazy in here. From what I've learned, the pompano and the ladyfish run together. So if you're catching ladyfish, chances are you will eventually get a pompano. And ladyfish are fun as well to catch, so it's a win-win when they're not taking all your jigs. Hey guys, I'm hooked up with a big old ladyfish. That is a big ladyfish. That is a big one. Man, that thing is fighting. I mean, look at the size of that ladyfish, guys. Holy crap, that's a big ladyfish. There he goes. Takes my jig. Man, guys, these things will destroy a leader. I mean, I've never had ladyfish go through leaders so quick in my life. Unbelievable. Alright guys, I got another ladyfish. He's coming to me so quick. Golly, these things are like bullets. There he is. There he goes. Oh, at least I didn't get my jig that time. Ha ha. Alright guys, I'm hooked up again. Ain't fighting very good now. Come on, ladyfish. I know that's what you are. I'm gonna jump right in the boat. You know what, guys? I haven't done one in a long time. When I first started this channel, I did one. But I think I'm gonna do a ladyfish catch and cook. I think that's what we're gonna do, guys. I think we're gonna do a ladyfish catch and cook because they're actually not bad eating fish if you know how to clean them and you know how to do it. So we'll take this one. We might take a couple more. We'll see what we can do, guys. Alright guys, got another lady on. Running right towards me though. Hey, come off. Alright, well, he's not going to the catch and cook. Alright guys, I'll put the jig up. See if I can't catch a couple of these ladyfish on this live shrimp. I don't think it'll take long. I really don't. We'll see here. Oh, he's already on it. There he is. There we go. Alright guys, I'm hooked up. Hooked him on live shrimp. Man, he's fighting. He ain't jumping like I thought he would if it was a ladyfish. That'd be completely funny if this was a pompano now. Boy, he hit that shrimp quick though. What is it? That's a fighting ladyfish. Get up here, buddy. Alright, there's one more for the catch and cook. That's a big one. That's a big old ladyfish. That's a beautiful one. Nice. Where did I put my pliers? Alrighty. If you guys haven't seen my catch and cook video already for the ladyfish, my older one, you're about to see a brand new one. Cool fish, man. They actually do taste pretty good. They really do. Not a bad fish at all. They're really bony. There's a certain way you got to clean them, but actually fairly good tasting fish. All right, ladyfish. All right guys, I got my two ladyfish here, so I'm gonna go ahead and fillet them. I'm not gonna show that process because pretty much you know how to fillet a fish. Just gonna take the fillets off real quick and then we'll start scraping the meat off with a spoon. All right guys, so I got my 4 ladyfish fillets. And all we're going to do now is we're going to take a spoon and we're going to scrape the meat off those little pin bones, which ladyfish are loaded with those little tiny pin bones. And you have to do it from the tail forward And now lay them all down real nice. So check this out, guys. Just like that. You get your meat just like that. Take your other spoon, push it off. Just put a little bit of pressure down. Get all that meat off, guys. About like that. And that's what the meat looks like, guys. It actually looks really good. It smells good. And I have done this before, and it actually really does taste good. So I'm gonna get all these done real quick, guys, and I'll see you all in the kitchen. Okay, guys, we're in the kitchen. We got our ladyfish meat right here, a whole bowl of it. To that, I'm gonna add some onion, some diced onion, dry diced onion. I'm also going to add some garlic salt. I like that. I'm also going to add some blackened redfish magic, which this stuff is absolutely incredible. I'll put quite a lot of that in there. I like that. And then we're going to add some lemon juice. Like that. Actually, a little more than I wanted to put in there, but that'll work. Alright, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a little spoonful here, and we're going to push it into our little breading right here. I'm just going to make a little nugget. About like that. And that's all you really got to do. Nice little nugget. And it sticks together on its own pretty doggone good. Push that in there, pat it around. There you go. Nice little patty, nice little nugget. Alright, well, I'm going to get the rest of these made. Alright, guys, I got my patties all made. I got 11 patties, and generally, 2 ladyfish, decent sized ladyfish, make anywhere from 8 to 12 patties. And we got 11. So I got my green light on over here. I'm going to go ahead and put these in. Sorry, I got a shadow on right here. I'm going to try to put them all in. And they do cook pretty quick. There we go. Alright, we got them all in. As you see, guys, they kind of do look like McDonald's chicken nuggets. They resemble them, and they don't taste far from it, to be honest with you. Alright, guys, they're all done. There we go. If you guys didn't know these were ladyfish, you would think they were McDonald's chicken nuggets. Look at that, guys. They look absolutely delicious, and they smell absolutely amazing. Alright, guys, I'm going to open one up for you. There you go. See inside? Don't look much different than a chicken nugget. Yeah, man, let me tell you what, these things are awesome. They really are. I no longer consider ladyfish a trash fish. These make a good snack. Make a good dinner if you want to make a dinner out of them. They're really good. So let's get these plated up, and I'll see you guys on the couch. Okay, guys, I got my ladyfish nuggets here. And we're going to use some sriracha ketchup. This stuff is awesome. If you guys have never tried this stuff, it is the bomb. Alrighty. Here we go. Man. Y'all, you gotta try this. This is awesome. I mean, seriously, no joke, all bullcrap aside, that is very good. I mean, you all can tweak that recipe, put whatever in it that you want. I mean, I don't think you can mess this up, to be honest with you. I really don't. There is no fishy taste whatsoever. Matter of fact, if I was to put this in front of you, you wouldn't even be able to tell me it was fish at all. It doesn't have a fish texture, it doesn't have a fish taste. It does not even resemble fish. You think you're eating chicken nugget, processed chicken, but that's what you would think you're eating. That is freaking phenomenal. I'm glad you got to put the sriracha ketchup on it. Man, the only thing I will say is I dip a little bit too much lemon juice in that. Just a little bit. But it is still banging. Banging. Alright guys, well, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Out there slaying some ladyfish. And they took probably 3 or 4 of my jigs today. They were just ripping through my leaders. I even went as far as 40-pound test leader and they still were chewing through it. I don't know what was going on. I've never had ladyfish do that to me before like that. That was insane. But they were tearing them up. And they were thick in there. So it's been 2 days now. I've been there trying to catch pompano and just slamming the ladyfish. But hey, they are a fun fish to catch in their own right. They really are. They're not a sought after fish, but they are very fun to catch. They really are. If you have never caught one, when you hook into one, you're going to know what I mean. And like Justin said the other day in the video, poor man's tarpon, they fight awesome. Well guys, thank you very much, and until I get to see you guys again soon here on the water, tight lines, Jettie Rockers, and please try this. I'm telling you, you'll like it. Hey Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.